Hi guys! Hello everyone, welcome back to another planty video. Today I am wanting to show you all my planty updates. I've got so many things happening with my plants at the moment, so much new growth. Obviously it's coming into spot. It's like full blown spring now, so there's so much new growth and I love it. The sun has just gone in and it's going to come back out in a minute, but this lighting is horrendous. But there we are. So I've got lots of updates to show you. I've got a few new updates on plants that I've got recently and whatnot. So yeah, let's get straight into the planty stuff because that's what we're all here for. So the first thing I really wanted to update you all on is my marble queen. She has gotten so long, like she's all the way down to here now, which is insane, but the leaves are getting so white at the moment. There's so much white on them and they're getting quite big, which is incredible. Like, that's not even hardened off properly yet, but look how much white's on there. It's already putting out a new leaf, which looks like it's going to be really white again. But look at that, it's going to be so white. I'm so excited. I cannot wait until this starts to like hit the floor, which is not going to be long. But yeah, I don't really know what I'm going to do. I will probably just have to keep chopping and propping. When it does get to that size, I think I'm going to try and put it on a plank and try and get really nice mature leaves on this. So that'll be exciting. And as we're over here, I chopped this guy, I think it was probably a few months ago now, and it's pushed out a load of new leaves. So we've got 3 new ones, which are really cute and tiny. Obviously they'll start getting bigger once it grows. I chopped this in hopes that it would actually put out multiple new vines, but unfortunately it didn't. It's just put the one out, but I think once the propagation has grown some roots, I might pot it back up into the same pot, so hopefully that won't be long. I will show you the updates on the propagation now. Okay, so this is the propagation. It's actually not done a thing. Excuse, this water is grim. But yeah, it's not put out any roots. I've put some bothos cuttings in there because I know that rumour has it, I don't know how true it is, but it helps things to root as it has a rooting hormone when it roots itself. So yeah, hopefully this will root soon and I can put it all up into the same pot so we get a nice bushy ficus. And another one I wanted to update you all on is this monstera. If you are not new here, you will remember this probably from a year ago when I completely chopped it back. It was all the way up to probably about here, and I chopped it all the way back and repotted everything into the same pot, and it's really starting to kick off now. It is huge. It's getting so wide and we have so many new leaves. I'm hoping in the next couple more they'll start getting that mature again, but this one's got fenestrations, which is really good. And then we've got this new leaf as well. And then round here, it's actually it activated a node and pushed out a new set of leaves. So we've got 3 here, and then under here we've got another node that's been activated, another auxiliary bud. So that's in there because I want to try and keep the humidity up around it, because I feel like whenever I have like propagations in like a high humidity area, they tend to push out like their leaves and stuff quicker. So that's what I'm hoping to do. Then here we've got 2, I believe there's one under here. We have got 2, yes, these 2 here were obviously just node cuttings. They were just wet sticks. This one's just put out 1 leaf when it was propagated, but it looks like it's going to put out another one because that's quite thick now. And then this one has just put out its 2nd leaf. But yeah, I'm falling in love with this again. I was so fed up with it when it was getting really kind of, when I first chopped it back, it was just a bit dormant, didn't really do anything over winter, and it didn't look as nice as it did before, but it is now getting really big and bushy, so I'm starting to fall in love with it again, and I just can't wait until, you know, it really starts climbing up that pole and gets really high again. So this update is not very good. If you watched a few videos ago, I chopped up my Albo Monstera and propagated a load of it, and this is some of the cuttings. These were the 2 that had leaves. The leaf died off on this node. On this cutting, it was just like the oldest leaf. I got that leaf with the cutting like 2 years ago, so it's really old. And then this one is starting to die off as well. I've got them in moss. And then there's perlite at the bottom for some aeration. But yeah, at the moment, I think it's only just started to put out a tiny leaf. So yeah, this one's not a tiny root, sorry, on this one. This one's yet to do anything, which is a bit annoying. But yes, I have still got my fingers crossed for this. And then this is the other ones. These 2 I potted into soil because they were doing pretty well in water. And I've got another little node, 2 nodes under here. Again, jars over for high humidity, and it's putting out a new leaf, which is exciting. But yeah, these 2 seem to be doing quite well. They've not really made much difference on the leaves, really. Obviously, that's getting very brown now. But I don't know if you'll be able to see, but in here we have a little, can you see that little node activated, and it's pushing out a new leaf? So very, very excited about that. I can't wait for this to get nice and big soon. Okay, and my Anthurium clarinervium didn't do anything over winter, and it just lost a load of leaves. Wasn't very happy at all. But I noticed the other day that we've got some activity coming. We've got a shoot coming up here, and then there's one starting to poke up here, which I'm so excited about. I absolutely love this plant, like so much. Oh my god, is that another one? I can't tell. Like, can you see that little one next to the big one? Is that a new, something else new popping up? But yeah, so ignore these. It was my birthday the other week, and I keep finding these things everywhere from the balloons. But yeah, so I'm not sure. It'll probably be it'll probably be flowers, I think, but we'll have to see. I mean, I've got two plants in here. Obviously they're 2 separate stumps, and I was wondering, and I don't know, I've never tried it before, so anybody please comment down below if you know anything about it. But if these 2 both flower at the same time, could I pollinate? Could I pollinate them? Because obviously they're 2 separate plants, so I should be able to, and then maybe get some seeds off of them. That's my plan. I don't really know. I feel like I really need to do some research on that, because I do not have a clue how to pollinate like Anthurium and stuff. So yeah, if anybody knows, please comment down below and give me some advice, because that would be really, really helpful. But yes, I'm so So in love with this plant. I really want some more anthurium, but they're quite expensive. For my budget anyway. Obviously everybody has different budgets, but yeah, for me they're just quite expensive. But I'd love some more like the leaves. Ugh. And the last one I think I'm going to update you on is this. Again, if you watched my previous video on this when I first got it, I put it on its plank, and we will have a full update video on this in probably about 6 months time. This is just a mini update because I'm obsessed. But it is so sticking on to the pole, which is really exciting. It's put out this new leaf, this one, and this one, which, oh my god, can we just, like, how big that is. But yeah, oh, and this one down here. I am in love with this plant. Honestly, so in love. It is so beautiful. The colour, the variegation, the, you know, fenestrations. I can't. It does look like this is quite, I can feel that's quite thick in there. So I think that's going to give me a new leaf pretty soon. So that's good. That's exciting. I can't wait. Okay, so that is all for the updates. They're all of my new leaves and new things that are happening. Really exciting, I can't wait. I've got lots going to be going on in the next month. Hopefully, fingers crossed, our house will be finished off and we can move into it in a month's time. So I do need to start going through all of my plans and things and working out which ones I want to get rid of, which ones I want to keep, and just like packing up the house, which I hate packing. I feel like I've moved so much in like the last 4 years, and I just can't wait to be just somewhere that I can move into and stay. And I'm so excited to like decorate it because it's our own, we can do whatever we want, so that's exciting. Also, I just remembered I made a terrarium at work, and I'm going to show you because it is hella cute. I'm sorry about this lighting, it's really quite bad. But how cute is this? At my work, we've got like a shared office space, so it's like a WeWork, if anybody knows what that is. So you kind of share office, like there's communal areas and stuff, and they do little like workshops and stuff every now and then. So we went to one and it was a little terrarium making one. But yeah, it's so cute. I feel like I put way too much soil in, but that's not a problem. It will have plenty of space to grow into it. But yeah, look how cute it is. Got the moss on there and everything. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you because I am obsessed. But anyway, so yeah, that's all from me. There will probably be like a moving vlog and stuff. Maybe not so much like a moving vlog, because yeah, just it's a lot to do when you're moving and we've got lots of stuff to do. But it'll probably be more of like a how I'm packing up my plants and like transporting them, and probably like there'll be lots of videos on how I'm going to style with my plants in the new house. As I've said, there's lots of stuff I want to do. So yes, there'll be lots of content like that coming up, which I really can't wait for. But I am getting a bit stressed because I've realised how close it is to actually moving. So yeah. Right, I think that's all. I'm going to stop yapping on. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little planty update. Yes, I hope you're all okay. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week for another planty video. Okay, bye guys.